Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix muted video on TikTok. Now first thing you're gonna do, go to your TikTok application information, and in permissions you're gonna search for music and audio, and you're gonna allow this one, so your video will be with the sound, and also make sure that you give all permissions because it can also cause some problems and limit the capacity of the application's work. Now after this, if it still doesn't work, first thing you're gonna do, go and tap on this three lines at the top right and search for settings and privacy. You're gonna scroll all the way down and choose report a problem, and you're gonna choose videos and sounds, and then choose audio not playing. Right here you can also follow the steps that is in this article, but if it didn't help you, you're gonna choose no answer and go to need more help and describe your problem right here to TikTok support team, like, hello TikTok support team, please help me in fixing muted video on my TikTok, and I will be very thankful for this. After this, more likely your problem will be solved, because you know TikTok support team, they will help you with your problem more specifically. So that's it. And if this video was helpful for you, please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel if it actually was, of course, and I will see you in the next video.